Alright everybody, welcome back to another one. This time we're working with some thank you for your order labels. We have a lot of options here, some that are more straightforward, or more flourished. If you choose to use one of the ones where you put your logo, just copy your logo into the document and you can select the logo that's already there or the box and align it like you see what I'm doing here, and then just delete the old one. If you can't seem to click the right one, click on the layers panel and then you can delete it from the left side like I'm doing here. If you have any requests, comments, or concerns, I'll see you in the comments. Don't forget the link to these labels and the coupon in the description, as well as links to the labels. Talk to you in the next one.